So, except for my Kindle Paperwhite, my iPhone and the Apple Wallet and a lot of other cool stuff in my everyday carry, I also carry a really old Victorinox Swiss pocket knife. This is a Cybertool S, and I think this is about 20 years old or so. But I have used it a lot and I really love it. I got it from my wife in present. I don't know which year, but I think it's 20 years. But sadly though, I have lost one bit for this screwdriver. So I have lost one of these small bits. As you can see, it should be one here too. So I have one attached with 2 different sizes of a screwdriver, and I also have these 2, as you can see here. I don't know how to buy new ones of these, but I really love to use these because they have been very useful. As you can see, I've used this a lot, and also this one a lot, as you can see. So that's a bit bad for me, but I think if no one knows in the comments how to buy new stuff for a Victorinox knife, maybe I will check that out so I can buy a new one for this. Other stuff on this that is quite cool is, for example, this corkscrew. You have one really tiny screwdriver attached into this corkscrew. I love that. That's nice. I also have a cool pin set. It's called in Sweden. I don't know what's called in English. But a really cool, nice, small pin set. Works great actually. It's great to have it in this pocket knife. And on the other side we have a pen. That's really cool to have. A really, really small pen. I'm not sure how to add some ink to this, or I need to buy a new one when the ink is empty, maybe. And we also have a toothpick of some kind. Maybe you can use this for other stuff too, as you can see in the edge of it. But it's cool to have. And on this side we also have a bottle opener and a screwdriver. And we also have a knife, of course. And we also have a bottle opener too. So you can use this to open a conserve bottle. A can opener, I think it's called in English. You can use that. And we also have a smaller knife. I don't use that so much. And this one we have already seen. And below this we also have a needle, as you can see here. So this is incredibly useful. You always have a needle with you. As you see, I have used it a lot already. It's not so good shape anymore, but we have this. Let's see the small hole for it, like so. We have that, and that's a really nice thing to have always with you. You see it there. I love that. And what's more, I don't think we have more to show on this knife. And as I said, this is called the Cybertool S. I think the S stands for small. There is a bigger version with even more tools on it. But I think this has a nice compromise of size with a lot of stuff with you all the time in an everyday carry. I love that little pocket knife from Victorinox. As you can see, 20 years old or so, and still going strong. You can see there, Victorinox, it says there. And it's still holding in good shape, good condition. And you can also hang it in this, on the bag or in the bag or so, if you want. Carbine hook or something with this. So that's also one really interesting tool in my everyday carry. I have this Tomtoc everyday carry bag. I love that one. So that's about it for this video. Okay, bye.